and I'm showing you how to put together a 50s character. Now this 50 character I call Dee Dee. Dee Dee at the Hop. I found these wonderful shoes at Kmart. They were very inexpensive, but they're a little tight on me. So what I did was, oh, and I added the pink loop shoelaces myself. I thought that was a good touch. What I've done is I put on a thin pair of socks so that I can fit in the shoe, but I put on these over socks here that are nothing more than big fat bobby socks. For some reason, and I've asked around, fat ankles were in the 50s. And, oh, I just think these are adorable. They go with my costume. You could do roller skates. I've done this, this show on roller skates for a short stint. I wouldn't do a whole hour show like that, but that could be fun. And then I want to show you, I went to a secondhand shop and I found the most wonderful bowling shirt. This was just a regular bowling shirt, and it had on it this flamingo. I took some fancy pink fabric paint, and I painted it, and just the little ball at the top of his stick, if you can see that. But this is a great shirt because it's got these extra panels, that black in the seams, and I took the same sequins that I put down my pants, and I put down this plain. This is just a plain tank top, but when I put this shirt with it, and I've got the polka dots on my head, isn't this just the cutest little outfit? And you could make it for not very much money. It's really inexpensive. And get yourself maybe a stretchy belt. Now, how fun is that?